bird out of that nest, and we'll eat.
But I don't want to fight no bird. I like birds. I go hungry first.
What's the matter, Freddy Cat? This is only a tiny little bird.
You mean a poor little incy-wincy, itsy-bitsy defenseless bird?
Yes.
Let me out! Let me out! I'll get him better! Guys, way out my lice! Let me out!
Take it easy,
Come on! Where's he getting that stuff? Don't hold me back! I'll get him! I'll show him!
Come on, quit your fooling. Get up that ladder.
Push me, Abbott! Don't push me!
Come on.
I'm scared to go up high. I get hydrophobia. No, I don't want to come down. What? Don't push me! Oh, you can't make me do it! You can't make me do it! He did it!
Come on, stupid. Get the bird.
Oh!
Give me the bird. Give me the bird.
If the Hayes office would only let me, I'd give him the bird, all right.
Of course. Everything's under control.
Don't push me down in a box, Babbitt. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, Babbitt! Oh, Babbitt! Babbitt!
What's the matter now?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Well, I'll let you out then.
I thought I saw a putty cat. I did. I saw a putty cat.
All the brakes were against you.
I'm a flopperoo. I can't even get the boy.
Don't worry, you'll get it all right.
You mean I'll get it in the end?
Yeah, and you'll get a big bang out of it, too.
Well, that sure takes a load off of my mind.
Stop your clowning. What's the matter with you? Aren't you ashamed?
I don't know.
Why do you do these things?
I'm a bad pussycat. Oh, I just can't seem to get the boy. Ain't no use.
Don't worry.
I can't do it.
This'll get you up there. Contact.
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 Contact.